Hello everyone, I'm Avinash. Are you tired of applying to over 100 plus jobs but getting nowhere? Don't worry. I found a very interesting video on Instagram, how to find job on LinkedIn. You need to follow few steps. Before that, if you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe for regular updates related to jobs and internships. And if you have any doubt, I have attached Google form link in the description. Go ask your doubts. So starting with the video, first of all, go to on LinkedIn, then go to on job. Here search we are hiring. After that, then filter by post and date. Past 24 hours. Here you will get a list of posts where people are hiring. Connect with these people. Once your connection request is accepted, then you can ask for referral. Before asking for referral, you need to do few things: update your LinkedIn profile, add relevant things, and update your resume as well according to the job description you are applying for. Mention projects relevant to role and experience also. If you don't have any experience, check out my previous video. You will get some resources, and if you need any help related to LinkedIn or resume, then contact me. I will help you in that. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.